So ngayon nandito tayo ngayon sa ating spot kung saan natin mahanapin ng... Ito nakita ko na ang ating huhulihin. So ma'am, kayo po ay hinuhuli sa violation ng Republic Act number 10/1883, also known as the New Anti-Carnapping Act of 2016. To your involvement in the taking of motor vehicle without the consent of the owner and the intent to gain. Sino po yung kinuhanan nyo ng kotse?
Pizza ko po.
Siya ay nagre-reklamo sa amin dahil siya yung kinuhanan ng kotse at tinistapa. So ngayon, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you will say will be used against you. You have the right to have counsel of your own choice. But if you cannot afford, the court will be giving you a competent and independent counsel. You have the right to be informed of such rights. You understand these rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay na.